I was just a confusion and try. There is another fight in NDC. Who comedians or TikTokers, no, NDC TikTokers, abe clash with Tamale Mayor, Honorable Abu Takoro, Obu nabe clash, Honorable Chirum say NDC former brun hair, a man in Rantiano, Obu Passile, Papa, Obu Passile, do. I must be not kind of ya, Oma be clashing with him. The man to the moon watch the wadi mame, ever comment session. I think I broke media, mess was any demo. Over like if video not that my subscribe button, some black the notification icon of latest updates, now back to the wadi and mame, ever comment session, so baswa. No share for Penyah biashi. And how I told you say how said in there. Media manager home, so be asked one per made a Penyah manager. Oh, me got me beef. Baby beef ni violence, one honor me begina. Media. Baby beef, violence, a one, a ho, we are confusion, one honor me Penyah begina. And run and a beef no SRT will end this mo. Ever someone, you know, the NDC General Secretary Fiifi Kwetey, or what kind ye are the 44th edition of 31st December Revolution. Omo program here, what kind was here, annual blasting this in Penyah as Omo call for third term agenda of Mahama.
So these days it saddens me when I see so much sycophancy creeping into our party. I see a group of people who obviously, from every indication, they believe that singing the praises of a leader is the only way they can survive. And that's why you hear some of those people even urging statements like there should be a third term. It's just nothing but sycophancy. Pure sycophancy and bootlicking of the highest order. Jerry Rollins, who was the founder of this party, never at any point was urged by anybody to go for any third term. You have a bunch of sycophants who today think that all they need to do is to sing praises and hoping that some of those praises will get them some opportunities that they are looking for. You don't love our country. You don't love our party. If you do, you will know besides sycophants. It's important for us to appreciate that this party was grounded on the need to work for our people. We say cadres may go, cadres may come, but the revolution has come to stay. That simply means it is not about individuals. It's about us as a collective, ensuring that what is right must be done. So it's important for us to always place this party and this country always at the top. Jerry Rollins came, serve us to the best of his ability. He's gone. Prof Mills, best of his ability, he's gone. John Mahama is serving to the best of his ability. Bless him, he's doing wonderful. But even his time will come. Why? Because cadres will go, cadres will come, but the great NDC and the revolution has come to stay. And that must always be the number one. Always number one. Placing this party, placing this country always at the top. But some of us on our way, what we want to do is simply to be rolling on the floor and praising individuals, believing that somehow when we do that, we will be able to get what it is we want. When you do that thing, it shows clearly you don't love this country enough, you don't like this party enough.
Oblast once a honomono. NDC for the buffet. Emma first batch ever reply no. There was another batch as I reply the beer. I say Omu demanded some kind of apology being near their day.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Sheikh Larry, sanda zuwa. Kasan kai babban mutum ne. Kuma old politician kake. Kuma kai da kake ba sirrin da baka sani cikin NDC ba. Or cikin political parties in Ghana duka. Amma gaskiya mun ji wani magana ne ya kamata mu tambaye ka warware muna. Is it the chairman or the secretary in NDC, Fiifi Kwetey? That's the national secretary. Ya yi wani magana ya shige muna dufu, ya kawo muna damuwa da baci rai muna son ra'ayinka. Wai mu sycophants ne. Sycophants ga ba mu san ma'anar shi ba. Ba mu san me yake nufi da mu ba saboda mun ce John Mahama deserve third term. To magana da yin ga gaskiya muna so ka warware me yake nufi da sycophants.
Inde abin da ni nake samani da sycophant shine simple as stomach politician. Somebody who is doing something for some personal gain or personal but it's unfortunate in the Fiifi Kwetey I don't expect something like that to come from him, but she kamata wanga magana. Oh yes, because I don't know what he's advocating for. In the Fiifi Kwetey ya mean magana da yake fadi, then it means he's against some Ghanaians that are advocating for the Mahama state term. Okay. Meanwhile, he's a general secretary of the party, which means cow clash between those people out there calling John Mahama for third term and the party. I don't know why he said so. But however, maybe he's will explain more better.
No, he said we, those who are advocating for John Mahama to go for third term, are sycophants. We don't understand why does it have to say this?
If you look at Abinde Samumuki advocates for John Mahama, it's because of the good work he's doing.
Yes.
That's all. Nothing else. It's because of the good work he's doing. Otherwise, nobody survive under anybody. Allah ke duban muduka. Wallahi Allah ke duban muduka. You see? But the good work that they ke yin na, mu muna ganin kaman he should have more space, more time. Because Ghana ya ragagaje ya dade. Ka gani ko? But kasu yi fushin Allah ya zo kansu. Wallahi kaga irin wanga abin ga yana iya kawo abu ya sake at once. Domin mutum guda ya yi fushi, mutum guda ya yi fushi, ka sani Ghana duka yi fushi. As a politician, you manage people, you don't discard people. You accept everybody's idea. Even go back a year can implement, but respect their opinion. Ko Allah ma ya respect opinion mutum. Don Allah da kanshi ya ce wai duba ga hanya na, amma ka ga dama ka kafurce, I respect your opinion. Ka ga dama ka yi aikin kirki, I respect your opinion. Ka gane ko politician da kake neman mutane baka magana irin haka.
What shekar ko danda me ba san abin da yake mind shi ba, amma an ka duba the Constitutional Review Committee report sun da suka kawo sun kawo ikra cewa kama sun tambaye Ghanaians are not for the TT, but they are for expansion. Maybe he's standing on that point in this. We don't understand. We don't know.
But you have to say it
as a general secretary.
You don't have to say it. When I'm say we tell them, "Ana lallashin su." You see, nga bin be himma, ana lallashin su ne. Oh, ku yankuri, constitution ne, ku yankuri, kaza ne, ku yankuri.
Not an insult.
But this insult, yai too heavy. I don't know what he think he is.
He has to come again.
Wallahi, I don't know what he think he is. When you look at it, the same John Mahama that's a bar, they stand. Fiifi Kwetey I want magana. Come on, Ghanaians basu boat ma pepe. She weekend leaks.
Yes.
Suka capture wannan magana. You see? Oh, magana na ya zama babban magana malam. You see, I don't know what is the problem between Fiifi Kwetey and that. Kuma ke agbeni. In the answer backward people, Ghana, mu pepe da ibawani. So I don't know why Yaeki the one special I've been against John Mahama. I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know. But the fact is that Fiifi Kwetey is wrong. He is wrong. Oh yes, he's wrong. Ya kamata bari ya sani. Wallahi, Beyiba kura.
It's too much.
Beyiba.
I think he has to come again and apologize to those who are advocates, because we are all NDC and we like the party. We like John Mahama. And this is politics. So he should have said it nice way. But the way he said it, it's not good.
Sycophant.
Thank you.
So am I a sycophant? Look, the problem here is that can Abinga page, you know, comment section. Some people call me stomach politician because I say John Mahama for 3rd term. And now the General Secretary also called me sycophant, which means they are right. La ilaha illallah. Allah kiyaye.
Mr. General Secretary, Mr. NDC General Secretary, tomorrow I'm going to read 1992 Constitution. You call us sycophant, Yakubu Tonedu, scrap dealer, majority leader, a politician, A+ politician, and the entire Ghanaians who support President Mahama 3rd term. You insult me as scrap dealer, as NDC member, as NDC financier who sold his Land Cruiser, who support 28th constituency, Savannah region, 7 constituency. You call us sycophant. Tomorrow I'm going to read the 1992 Constitution. Tomorrow I'm going to read 1992 Constitution so that the whole world will know that the scrap dealers can read and write. The scrap dealers will understand the 1992 Constitution. I won't talk anything. When I finish reading the Constitution, Mr. Sycophant, you call me sycophant, Mr. General Secretary, you call me sycophant. Wallahi, I will make sure that whether you contest General Secretary, whether you won't contest, but when you contest, wallahi, I will compare against you. When you win, I don't care. When you lose, I don't care. I swear. Salam alaikum.
From almost secretary said there be as small kind the ome patch of course and yes as ome chiremuye montina calling them sycophants there any hypocrite there and nice some guys will say enra ubeka Penyah blog media mama flyer be on Facebook flyer no now it is coming from Honorable Abu Takoro oye Tamale Mayor oye this Mahama na want that appointment no na ono na enra no obeka nsimbi and this one can or blast NDC youth no o chirem say adwuma na Ghana for they share this in Penyah say omunya no NDC youth no ya ma adwuma na difficult for them adaya o chirem say hey NDC for no omumpa adwuma omu ya kwadufo omumpa bre da bia they need something anopa honorable ye hia we area ye hia we anwumre ye hia we they are never satisfied. They are never satisfied. All the time, they need something. And by doing so, no, it has put pressure on them. Because they are coming to serve Ghana, the interest of Ghana. But now, no, the NDC youth want them to serve their interest. NDC youth, the pressure is so, demanding so be a penny diage. And I don't blame them because I blame the leaders. Mama no ye de because I'm what fiache 8 years come out the match. I'm money ha. E don't pay ways and media baba mutini mo promise mu youth no too much. Man to so anwuma no man chire wo mu. Mo hye umbo mo bia nya da so say dey say NDC ba ye de a. Mi bottom ba ye de. Me no me ho ba ye de. Eti nyo mu fort. Ara say I ma enra no. Tamale Mayor e ba ke kan semias na o ke kana adwen chire. NDC mebu no. So munya do mo chire no. Na enyi omu ntino mu Ghana kunyas your mind Ghana ntino mo tia kunya no so they are there to serve Ghana. They are not there to we don't have anything called NDC Ghana and other Ghana. There's one Ghana and Ghana na two abama o not NDC for they are there to serve Ghana. E to munya do mo chire no. There is that na o ka kan ye no. uko media ne so a NDC for no mabuno no I started a man response to the
comment section as well my power ensu Tamale Mayor nisani awu si kasa no honabu abu hu kasa wati sua kasa learn how to talk honabu abu Tamale Mayor learn how to talk to grassroots where NDC boys and girls no be mamo pressure dodo bepe adesre dodo honorable mayor honorable abu Tamale Mayor obepa adesre oba wo no so ni oba wa ni obepa ne se manadwuma nye obeba wo to the stand say oye adwuma no ba nyina benkum nifa obeba wo to the stand say obre no obeba ho obre no ba to university Tamale Mayor wa hunyansa kasa NDC fo nkra pa adesre dodo be ma pressure mire bia behia de no obeba wo no so anya adesre so opesika opa adwuma na aye nti oba ho no wa hunyansa ka betena social media so ana wa ka aseye ya mo na aba media nim o ma ho mepa adwuma mra me nkofia o mra me nkofia posia o mra mepa adwuma me ba na adwuma ye yo ba na wa mo na adwuma wo fase ya wa mo na adwuma no wo ye bi na me ka me kofia posia nko anka mo tete mo office wa bia ma hoda ka mo tete mo office wa anka bia ma hoda ya ba pa wa ihwan da agu mo ni office me ma ho me be da wo ho me be eden me ma da na asa ne ka bedudu ho obi anu obedi NDC panyini bi atemu obi anu obekasa ti NDC panyini bet e beto da mo be pe grassroots munim wa mo ntwa na mo ko bi MPP fo be ya jeja mu abedi social media fo na ye nya bepe ne se mo hu ne esi masa entra wo office wo nka ne ye yo de nipa no ma wo no mra kwanwo se NDC grassroots pa de sre be ma pressure to time ya behia de behia mama badwumanye tama be bu fa so be ye campaign wo ka tell se be pressure wo ka tell se be pa de sre ene wonsa so achiwachi dwawe nti sa na obeka ye nyina wo Ghana ye de ye ne yewem edi Kenya ya te Ghana ha abusia foma no wasi
Mame, comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.